Well, we have a mid-morning bad apple alert. And what does that mean? Well, certainly this is a super bad apple, but it also means that YouTube has decided that this is not ad friendly. Well, YouTube's not always creator friendly, but I know you want to see these bad apples. You need to see these stories. This guy is a super creep Navy officer, super, super creepy. And, well, he's been arrested, and he's a bad apple. And this is a bad apple alert right here at home on the range. Oh, why is it always the creepy ones that are so creepy? This creepy one thought he was handsome. Look at him. He's got that look. Goofball. Navy Lieutenant Commander charged with paying 14-year-old boy for sex. That's for the algorithm. That's not me having a Tourette's moment. A Navy Lieutenant Commander has been arrested on charges he paid $200 to have sex with a 14-year-old boy he met on a hookup site called Sniffles. Lucas Martinez, 61, allegedly wore his Navy uniform in his profile photo on the app and used a Navy phone to call the boy after his cell phone number was blocked. Task and Purpose reported. Oh my goodness, you guys. This guy is a super creep. Martinez, who is assigned to the Navy's Fleet Readiness Center Northwest in Washington State, is charged with third-degree rape of a child. Oh, I said it out loud. Commercial sexual abuse of a minor and communication with a minor for immoral purposes. The alleged abuse came to light after the boy's mother reported to police her son received packages with sex toys and ex-toys costumes. Then, admittedly, he had posed as an 18-year-old online to solicit gifts from older men. Oh, I don't even know if I can read this, you guys. She subsequently reported that Lucas was meeting with her son at their house when the teen was supposed to be at school when he was arrested on Friday. Oh, crap. Lucas allegedly told Anacortes police, "I never slept with a minor, let alone this lying sack of crap. I didn't do anything. I'm just here to play pachinko." What an idiot. Look at this guy. One look at this guy. That's all it takes. Just one look.